Wow.
Damn!
Fight just like we used to do.
Huh?
So luxury cars off a dealership lot in East Charlotte. Police say it happened last week at Adams Auto Group on Independence Boulevard. Surveillance cameras caught the suspect smashing through the front door. Police report shows the people stole 3 vehicles worth a combined $200,000. If you know anything, contact Crime Stoppers.
Huh? You better lock that doggy door.
Yeah, boy.
Huh? Huh?
Nice.
Citizens still on the go condition. Guys in the bin, some lit.
Wow.
Lemon, cinnamon, brown.
Listen, look, I'm a London scammer. I see it, I want it, I click it. Nights in the bando, pirates whipping. Next day, man started clicking. No boo and waitress tipping. Bad beat, come and take this thinking. Codeine, that's what I'm sipping. Money, that's what I'm missing. Look.
Huh?
Nice.
Wow. Huh?
Oh no!
Huh?
Listen, look. I'm a London scammer. I see it, I want it, I click it. Nights in the bando, pirates whipping. Next day, man started clicking. No boo and waitress tipping. Bad beat, come and take this thinking. Codeine, that's